everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Septinur Amelia from the Information System Study Program. I will give you a little of my opinion about smoking in the campus area. In my opinion, students should not smoke in campus area because it doesn't look good. First, the negative impact of secondhand smoke on others is enormous. When someone smokes on campus, they are knowingly exposing the people around to harmful chemicals. Research showed that secondhand smoke can increase the risk of health problems, including respiratory problems and heart disease. As a campus community, it's our responsibility to create a safe environment for anyone. In addition, smoking on campus also affects the aesthetic and cleanliness of our environment. Cigarette butts scattered on the paths, in the park, and even in classroom damage the beauty and cleanliness of the campus. These butts contain hazardous chemicals that are difficult to decompose and flood the environment. By creating special smoking areas in places far from crowds, we can reduce this problem significantly. That's my opinion. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye. Hello everyone, my name is Septinur Amelia with student ID number 1924014. In the second part, I will discuss using modal in request word. The usage of modal in request word. List of content is definition of modal, function of modals, type of modals, modals formula, using modals for request, fully request with modal verbs, example of modal using in request. Definition of modal. In English, we know a type auxiliary verb called modals. Modals are generally used to express the speaker attitude towards something, whether it is need, recommended, permitted, possible, etc. Basically, all modals are always followed by the first form of the verb one. They modify the main verb to add meaning and change the tone of sentence. Type of modals. Number 1, modal present is will, shall, must, may, should, can. Number 2, modal past would, should, must, might, could. For number 3, modal perfect is must have plus verb 3, might have plus verb 3, should have plus verb 3, could have plus verb 3. Modals formula. To make it easier to create modal sentence, you can look at the modal formula below. First, modal present. The formula for present modal is subject present modals plus verb 1. Second, modal past. The formula for past modal is subject plus modal past plus verb 1. Third, modal perfect. The formula for perfect modals is subject plus modal perfect plus have plus verb 3. Using modal for request. Softening request. Modals like could and would make request less demanding and more valid. For expressing urgency, must and need to convey the importance or urgency of a request. For suggesting option, might and may offer flexibility and choose in request. It requests with modal verbs. Very fluid with would you mind, fluid with could you, natural with can you, less formal with will you. Example of modal usage in request. Could you tell me how to get to the library? May I have the menu, please? Would it be possible to discuss the salary range? Can I borrow your notebook? Shall I close the windows? I will cook dinner for my family. That's all my discussion. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.